If you're still using boring static charts, you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you how to create interactive charts that instantly update in the click of a button, which will transform how you analyze your data. Let's take a look. For example, here we have some geographical sales data, and our boss asked us to visualize this data for his presentation later today. Instead of just creating a basic heat map chart and calling it a day, we're going to spend an extra 30 seconds to create this interactive dashboard that lets you drill down into specific state data with the click of a button, because we want that promotion this year. First things first, before we start building our dashboard, we need to make sure our data is formatted as an Excel table. This step is absolutely critical because slicers only work with Excel tables, and we're going to use slicers to create the filter button. So I'm going to select any cell in the data, press Ctrl+T to create a table, and then hit OK. Now that our data is formatted as an Excel table, we need to insert slicer buttons. Once again, make sure that any cell is selected in our table, navigate to the Insert tab, and select Slicer under the filter group. In this case, we want to be able to drill down into our data by state, so I'm going to select State and then press OK to create the slicers. Next, I'm going to reposition them to the top of the worksheet next to our data and make them a lot wider so that they sit above where our chart will go. I'm also going to increase the number of columns in the ribbon so that we can see as many states as possible. Last but not least, the final step is to insert the map chart by selecting any cell in the data, navigating to the Insert tab, opening the Maps dropdown, and selecting Filled Map to create the chart. I like to clean up my charts a little bit by deleting the title and removing the chart border by opening the Shape Outline dropdown and selecting No Outline, but you can format your chart however you'd like. Finally, reposition the chart under the slicer buttons, and we're done. Now we can easily select any state to dive into, and as you can see, our map chart automatically updates to show that state's specific data. We're definitely going to get that promotion. Hopefully you will never use a basic static chart again after watching this video. You can easily create dynamic visualizations using Excel tables, slicers, and charts, which will make it actually fun to analyze your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Excel tips and tricks.